Peripheral signs of aortic regurgitation. Peripheral signs of aortic regurgitation. First is lighthouse sign. There is alternate flushing and blanching of the forehead. Second is de Massett sign. There is bobbing of the head with each heartbeat. Landolfi's sign. There is change in pupillary size in according with the cardiac cycle. Here you can see mydriasis and myiasis according to the diastole and systole respectively. Becker's sign. Visible pulsations of the retinal arterioles during fundoscopy. Scherfian sign. It refers to the pulsatile pseudoproptosis. It means the eyes are bulging outward in a pulsatile manner. Muller sign. Visible pulsations of the uvula. Here you can see the uvula which is pulsatile. Pulsatile uvula. Corrigan's neck sign. It's also called as dancing carotid artery. Here you can see the carotid artery is prominent and pulsatile, also known as dancing carotid artery. Mayen sign. Mayen sign refers to the fall in diastolic blood pressure of more than 15 mm of mercury with elevation of arm. Corrigan's pulse, water hammer pulse or collapsing pulse. Watson's water hammer pulse, also known as Corrigan's pulse or collapsing pulse, is seen in AR. It is described as a pulse that is bounding and forceful, rapidly increasing and subsequently collapsing, as if it were the sound of a water hammer that was causing the pulse. Here you can see how a normal and a water hammer pulse look like. You can see the water hammer pulse is rapidly increasing and subsequently collapsing. Water hammer pulse is also associated with increased stroke volume of the left ventricle and decrease in the peripheral resistance, leading to widening of the pulse pressure. Quincke's sign. Capillary pulsation seen on the light compression on the nail bed. Here you can see capillary pulsations on light compressions. Rosenbach sign. Palpable liver pulsations. When we palpate the liver, there is pulsations felt. Gerhardt sign, also known as Sailor sign. It is pulsation of the spleen in the presence of a splenomegaly. This is how we palpate spleen. Duro's sign. An audible diastolic murmur which can be heard over a femoral artery when it is compressed with the bell of a stethoscope. Pistol short femoral pulse, more commonly known as Traube's sign. It refers to systolic and diastolic pistol short sound heard while auscultating over the femoral artery. Challis sign. Challis sign refers to the pulsation of the cervix. Hill's sign. Here popliteal systolic blood pressure exceeding brachial systolic blood pressure by more than 60 mm of mercury. This is how we measure the popliteal artery blood pressure. It is, however, the most sensitive sign of the aortic regurgitation. Sherman sign. It refers easily or quickly palpable dorsalis pedis pulse occur in older adults who have chronic aortic regurgitation. Any adult aged more than 75 years whose dorsalis pedis pulse is quickly located and is unexpectedly prominent has chronic aortic regurgitation or insufficiency until proved otherwise. This is how we palpate dorsalis pedis artery between the tendons of the extensor hallucis longus and tibialis anterior. So I have a mnemonic for the peripheral signs of the aortic regurgitation. Aarti Sharma got low quality BCG, BPT and MMR from the PSC. Here Aarti means aortic regurgitation, Sharma means Sherman sign, got means Gerhardt sign, low means Landolfi or lighthouse sign. Quality means Quincke sign. B. Becker sign. C. Corrigan's neck sign. G. Again Gerhardt sign. D. Demoset's and Durocher's sign. P. Pistol shot femoral pulse. T. Trop sign. M. Muller sign. M. Mann sign. R. Rosenbach sign. P. Pulsus Bispherians. H. Hill sign. C. Collapsing pulse, Corrigan's pulse, or Waterhammer pulse. Here is a visual mnemonic, also called as aortic man. We go from head to toe approach. From first we discuss about the lighthouse sign, then we discuss about Demoset sign, then eye signs like Landolfi sign, Becker sign. Then in oral cavity we see uvula, Muller sign. Then in neck we see dancing carotid, Corrigan's neck sign, and then Waterhammer pulse, Rosenbach sign, Gerhardt sign. We see also Quincke's sign, Durocher's sign, pistol shot femoral pulse, Robes sign. We measure the blood pressure, popliteal and brachial, Hill sign, Mann sign, Sally's sign. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. For further videos, do like, share, and subscribe.